Hey guys, it's Maria, and today we're doing the snack challenge. It's basically like the eat or wear it challenge. So there's a bunch of different snacks in a thing. I'll show you. And the other thing, and the rules are. So we have this cup right here.
It has a bunch of the little
numbers
papers
in it.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
just pick a number.
And whatever number it says, we have to eat out of that thing. Rules are pretty simple. Anybody can do it if they want. If your parents aren't strict, like mine, hers aren't strict at all. So let's get started. So who's going first?
Okay, you can go first.
Okay.
Wait, no. Take it. That number. She got 6.
6.
It's right here. She got croutons. She said yes.
I have the whole thing, right?
You don't have to eat the whole thing.
I'll eat one for now.
You can just eat it later. Okay, I got 8. They're Cheez-Its.
That one.
Sure. I like Cheez-Its. Okay, pick one.
Free.
It's right there.
Yeah.
She
That
got,
one?
sure. She got Pringles. Give me 2.
Sorry.
Alright. I got a 4. Someone fell. I got Sun Chips. They're the cheddar Sun Chip kind. Pretty good. ASMR. Yeah, there you go.
Today we're doing ASMR.
Right. Okay, pick one. Pick. We have like 2 or 3 bad things. It just depends
7.
on how you like it.
So,
I think that one would be. Oh,
okay. I'll do it.
what'd you get?
Popcorn.
You got the cheddar popcorn, like the Smart Food popcorn type thing. I got number 10. I got oyster crackers. I don't really like them.
I got a 0.
No. She got a 2.
That's a 6.
It's a 2.
These things. Are they salty or
She
sweet?
got the Life cereal things. I also like sugar coating stuff. My turn.
It's not good.
I like them kind of. They're okay. I got a 5, but it looks like an S. But it's 5. Oh, I got the donut.
I like those.
These like chocolate. You hate them?
Yeah.
I got these chocolate covered donut things. They're good. Hey. We have 2 left.
9.
Eh? What is it? What is it?
The worst thing.
No, she got the almonds. I kind of like almonds, but those aren't really the good things. The only last thing is the 1.
You're okay.
You never tried them?
No.
But why'd you say they were bad? The last thing is the 1. So, yeah. And I got the Hershey Kisses. I'm not going to eat these because I already know what they taste like.
I don't like that one.
What?
I don't really like them.
Yeah, but my channel is Rainbow Stones. I have like 2 subscribers because I don't have any videos yet, but I'm probably gonna make videos, like kind of soon.
Subscribe to her.
And today I'm gonna be making a vlog. This is my first video. I'm gonna be making a vlog because we're going to a farm, and my God, and we're going to a farm, and yeah. And subscribe to her too, if you haven't already. Yeah. Are you gonna do your outro?
Oh, bye.
Is that seriously
It's
your
good.
outro? Oh my God.